Hello, welcome to this part of training. This is Peerless Build Creativity channel. Please subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you for doing that. All right, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to generate beautiful images from Meta AI. So on your Google browser, type Meta AI. And search. Then you pick the first on the list. It will bring you to this interface where it will tell you to try Meta AI. If you're logging in for the first time, you will have to log in with your Facebook, otherwise you will not be able to generate your image if you try without logging in with your Facebook. So here we are on the interface. Here you can ask Meta AI any question. Now let me ask a question. I can just tell Meta AI to generate a line of story for me. Generate a story on honesty. So let's wait and see what Meta AI is giving us. So this is a line of story that Meta AI has given us. It may not be a story. You can ask about the trending things that is going on in the country, anything. You can ask about beauty. You can ask Meta AI anything. You can as well generate image. To generate your image, you go to the three dotted line at the left corner and you will click on imagine. Imagine what Meta AI can give you as an image. These images are the images that has been generated by other creators. So you can put in your own prompt so as to be able to generate your own image. Just make sure that you are very precise on the type of prompt you are giving so that it will be able to generate for you a beautiful image such that you will like. So I'm putting in my prompt here to generate. Let's wait and see what Meta AI is going to generate for us. This is beautiful. Meta AI has generated 4 different images for us, and we can choose any of these images that we want to use. You can as well animate the image that we have generated. So to animate, you will click the animation button. So let's see how Meta AI is going to animate our image for us. Wow, this is beautiful. You can as well download your image by long pressing on the particular image you want to download and click on download video. So Meta is downloading our image for us. If you're satisfied with all the other images, you can as well download them too. So this is how to generate the AI image using Meta AI software. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, simply drop a comment and make sure you like this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell in order to get more amazing training on animation. Thank you.